Hi, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to assign a cash transaction to a position. There are several cases when a position's P&L doesn't depend only on the buy and the sell prices of the instrument, but cash flows are generated as well during the trade. A typical example when a stock pays dividend. TradingDiary Pro has a solution for this case. Here is a database with two positions, a Frontline and the Microsoft. Both companies have recently paid dividends, which can be seen in the cash transactions view. To assign a cash transaction to a position, select the cash transaction, click on the Bound Position column, select the appropriate position from the drop-down list. In this case, I'm going to select FRO, and the dividend has been assigned to the position. Let's do the same for the Microsoft. It's worth mentioning that you can bind multiple cash transaction rows to a single position. Let's go back to the positions view and check the results of the cash transaction assignment. Let me click on the small plus sign to open the subtabs of the positions. We can see the bound cash transactions in the cash transaction subtab. Here is the previously assigned cash transaction, which was a dividend. As a result of the assignment, we can see that the net PnL has been changed. The PnL of the front line is minus $61. The assigned dividend is $70, so the net profit is $70 minus $61 loss on the trades minus $2 commission, which equals to $7 profit. This is what we can see in the net profit column. In case of error, you can clear binding of the cash transaction items. So select the row, right click on it and click on the clear binding menu. Click on the yes. So let's check the net PnL once again. We can see the net PnL is minus $63. Let's go back to the cash transaction, assign it to FRO once again, and let's check the net PnL, which is $70 profit once again. Thanks for watching.